we're just entering autopilot mode right now. Thank you, birds, for the confirmation. Thank you, blue avians, for being around. It's as if like God is just going to drive the car, and we've been asked to sit passenger, watch, relax, and enjoy the ride. I'm saying that because this is exactly what happened to me this morning. I'm not going to explain the whole story, but I had a lot of stuff to do, and I found myself going somewhere, and because I'm a pretty tired at this time, I forgot during a moment, because I was with the music and everything, enjoying the view, and for a moment I just forgot about everything, and literally I was driving on autopilot, and I found myself ended up exactly where I was supposed to be. But again, I was absorbed with the music and all of the city crowd situation, and literally I ended up exactly where I told myself I would be in the morning. So it's very significant. At this time you are required to sit, relax, do not force anything. My right feet is hurting me right now. I think for some of you, you're doing too much right now. You're just trying too hard, and the only thing your body wants right now is resting, because the energy system that just occurred on planet Earth was extremely intense. It is still, but with all of the eclipses and full moon and moon and stuff, it was a lot to digest for your system. So it's the time you want to trust, you want to lay down if you can. If you can take some day off, please do. Just set yourself to rest mode and trust to process. I'm hearing that during this resting period, you're also extremely needed in the ethereal world. You might certainly be a starseed or a light worker, and it's as if your soul was needing somewhere else, if that makes sense for you, if this resonates. If not, please don't take it. It's as if something major is happening globally, universally, and your star system, your galactic team, they require your light to fight other battles. And just actually here on planet Earth. So I'm hearing that the more you rest, the more you're allowing your higher self to actually send so much light right now where it's needed. Some of you are very much connected to elevating mother's frequency regarding everything that happened to child abuse. Sending so much light to that is one of your mission for some of you. So again, that is why right now you must rest. You must definitively take some time for yourself to be able to meditate and do your meditation and light some candles and share your love, light, and truth for this planet more than ever. Chanting, dancing, writing, you're so essential. I love you so much. You have no idea. Every single soul that is watching this website, I'm eternally grateful for you. I love you beyond your own mind. You're so precious to me and for this journey and for this world. You matter so much. Every soul, every individual that is here working on yourself. Thank you for being here. I acknowledge you. I truly value you. I wish you upon everything to be able to do what I'm doing. It implies that I am fully aligned with my life mission. My soul, when I wake up, is in tune. I feel joy being here in front of you because I share my gift, my uniqueness with you. This is what truly animating me. This is truly what is making me happy above everything, is being able to channel the Most High, to share my light with you, to empower you, to talk to you, to help you, to guide you. If this is the case, I'm truly honored that has been chosen for that divine mission. And again, this is everything I wish for you, to be able to live from your gift. I'm thankful for being able to monetizing my gifts. It started a few years ago. I didn't even know what I was about to do. I was just guided. I didn't know what to do back at the time. I just felt so much synchronicities regarding the fact that I needed to come online and share my truth with the world. And at the beginning, again, I was just like pulling some card and talking about my personal life. And I guess that with the time, I found that other people like resonate with this truth. And then I just kept going, and it gave me so much power and strength in return that it made me just stronger and want even more to participate to this evolution and share even more. And you're resonating with you, and you're so blessed, and your comments are making the difference. And thank you again from the deep bottom of my soul for being here. If you want also to be able to monetize your gift, to be able, like me, confirmation on my phone, this is definitively for someone out there. I'm praying that this message is going to find your soul when you need it. If you want also to be able to monetize your gift because you know you're a light worker, you're a star seed, you came here for a mission to fulfill. If you know you have a project to do, you need to be out there, but there is always a force, something negative that is trying to lower your vibration when you're about to pop up something, you should check my website because I'm offering some powerful codes, download and activation, and especially a program for Lightworker for them to activate their soul mission. This is your chance, believe me. Someone is soon to be married, and this is everything I wish for you also, the power of love. I cannot make this up. This is your confirmation. It's time to jump now. And it's time to rest. I cannot make this up. This is so powerful. You need to rest for some of you because you're going to jump and there is no way back. You know what you have to do. Cannot. You are definitively a starseed, a light worker out there. Ultimate devotion, and you're so, this is a big confirmation for you. You're so devoted, you're so obedient to the Most High. You've been so obedient, and now you know that you have to jump. So please rest if you need to do, because again, it's going to accelerate itself. The blue card is the infinite power of the universe, is the green light. You have just the green light. Remember, autopilot. Rest because you're soon to be entering your true life journey. And you're going to become unrecognizable because when you're aligned, you're just glowing. Until next time, namaste.